Got ants crawling around your bathroom? Annoying, right? But don't worry. With the right tricks up your sleeve, you can kick those little pests out for good. We are bighomeprojects.com, and we help connect homeowners with trusted contractors and help provide work opportunities for contractors. Let's dig into some easy and effective ways to get rid of them. Number 1. Identify and seal entry points. Start by checking out where those sneaky ants are getting in. Look around windows, doors, and plumbing fixtures for any tiny gaps or cracks. Use caulk or weather stripping to block their path. It's like putting up a no entry sign for ants. Number 2. Keep your bathroom clean and dry. Ants are always on the hunt for food and water, so wipe down surfaces daily, especially around the sink. Fix leaks pronto, and keep things dry with a squeegee on shower walls. Number 3. Use natural repellents. Mix peppermint oil with water and spray it where ants are seen. They hate the smell. Citrus peels work too. Just place them near entry points. Number 4. Apply diatomaceous earth. This stuff is awesome for killing ants by dehydrating them. Sprinkle it along trails or suspected entry points. Just make sure it's food grade. Number 5. Use chemical treatments sparingly. Sometimes you need the big guns. Bait gels and stations are effective. Place them under sinks or behind toilets to tackle the colony at its source. Number 6. Maintain regular cleaning routines. Vacuum regularly to get rid of crumbs and use vinegar water solutions to erase scent trails. Run a dehumidifier to keep the air dry. Ants hate it. Number 7. Call professional pest control if needed. If you've tried everything and they're still marching in, it might be time to bring in the pros for a thorough assessment and treatment. Ants got you down? Check out bighomeprojects.com to find local pest control pros who can help you out. The site connects you with trusted contractors who know exactly how to handle ant infestations, making it super easy to get back to enjoying your ant-free space.